Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get the TradingView API using easy methods. We will cover the primary ways to access TradingView's powerful financial data and charting capabilities. You will learn about direct API keys, setting up webhooks for automation, and utilizing helpful third-party libraries. This guide aims to simplify the process, enabling you to integrate TradingView into your projects efficiently and effectively. Let's dive into the details. To begin, you will need a TradingView account. Once logged in, locate the Settings menu, usually found under your profile. Within Settings, look for an API Keys or Developer section. Here, you can generate a unique API key. This key is essential for authenticating your applications and accessing various financial data, including real-time market quotes and historical prices. Remember to keep your API key private and secure, as it grants access to your account data. For automating trading strategies, webhooks are a popular and effective method. You can create alerts on your TradingView charts based on specific conditions, like price movements or indicator crossovers. In the alert settings, choose the webhook URL option and provide the address of your external service or broker. When an alert triggers, TradingView sends a message to this URL, allowing you to automate trades or other actions. A paid TradingView account is typically required for this feature. Many developers find third-party libraries incredibly useful for integrating TradingView data. For instance, Python libraries like TV Data Feed can help you retrieve historical and real-time market data directly into your Python environment. Other libraries, such as Lightweight Charts Python, allow you to embed interactive TradingView-style charts into your own applications. These tools often simplify complex data handling and charting, providing a more streamlined development experience for various trading and analysis projects.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.